437. No. No, why did he do it? We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We ain't in the auction today. Today we at Pull Apart. I'm just going to look for a little center cap for my Buick, man. I've been riding around. I went to one Pull Apart over there in and I forgot where I was at, but I went to Pull Apart and they had one, and so I need one more. So I'm going to look for one more. So we in here right now. We about to see if we can find it. Hustle Nation, how y'all doing out there, man? I just figured I'd do a little vlog type Pull Apart video. You know what I'm saying? Got some little downtime right now, so like I say, what's going on, y'all? Y'all good? If you haven't already and you new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for your boy. Join the Hustle Nation. Follow me on Instagram at wehustledaily.co. And check out whdacademy.com. Make sure you check that out. But let's see if we can find a Buicks in this bad boy. I haven't been to this one in a while, man, but I have been here before, but I ain't been here in a while. Probably gonna be a little short little video unless I add something else to it. I don't know, but you know, right now we just in here. I think Buick might be all the way over there, GM cars, because here's where your Fords right there. Y'all see that? There go your Fords, and here go your Hyundais and Volvos and Hondas and stuff like that. So yeah, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Y'all good? It's cold out here, I tell you that. You know what I'm saying? It's cold out here. Like I say, I might just add these type of vlogs in here. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, honestly. I might post it. Okay. You know what I'm saying? We got the ladies out here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody out here looking for some parts. Man, GM all the way down there, man. They want to make you walk to the GM cars. They're gonna give you Ford and Honda and everything up front. But if you got American-made GM, well, Ford and Lincoln and all that, they American-made too. But why GM got to be in the back? That's all I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Why they couldn't make it easy for your boy? Let's go ahead and see if we can find this bad boy real quick. So check it out. We got to walk all the way down here. I ain't never bought one of them carts before at Pull Apart, man. I haven't bought one of them carts. Them $5 carts you can use to drive down here. I haven't bought one before. Okay, we got more Hondas and Infinitis and Nissans and everything. But where is Buick, yo? Where is GM? That's crazy, yo. There go Dodge. I see Dodge right there, so we must be getting close. Man, your boy be being cheap. I don't wanna buy nothing. Real. Even though the little cart would have been faster. Zoom down here real quick. Man. But that's another thing. Ain't nothing wrong with a little exercise too. You know? Ain't nothing wrong with a little exercise. Hustle Nation. What they say, customers are not allowed in rows while equipment is setting vehicles. Okay, Hustle Nation, man. Damn, where the hell is GM? Like, I know I ain't tripping. Oh, I dropped my paper. Oh, I dropped my paper. All right, Hustle Nation. Let me see if I can find Buick real quick. GM cars, some Chevy, something, anything. Oh, there we go. Y'all see it? I see a LaCrosse up there. Let's go ahead. Hopefully they got my center cap, man, because that's all I'm here for, a center cap. And maybe a radio connector, because I got a little TV radio that I've done had for the longest time. And I think I'm gonna go and put it in the Buick, man. Like I told y'all, I might keep the Buick for a while, man. I mess with the Buick, yo. So here we go. There go a Buick right there. That's a LaCrosse though. There's another LaCrosse. Boom, there go one. But it don't even have the wheels. Can y'all spot it right there? There go one right there. There go another LaCrosse. Keep seeing these LaCrosses. Let's see what we got, Hustle Nation. Hopefully they got my cap, man. My little centerpiece. My wheels. Let's see. So this one is gonna be on all steel wheels right here with no hubcaps. They probably just took all the hubcaps. Might be lucky. No. Wait. No, that's not for Buick though. Let's see, man. Did they make me waste my $1? I hope they didn't. All the radios be different too. So that's it, but no centerpiece. Oh, here go one, but it's scratched up, Hustle Nation. But this is it though. What y'all think about that one though? That one's ugly, man. I don't really like it. That's why it's the only one here. But I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I don't know. We're gonna come back to that one. I really don't want it scratched up because like my wheels aren't scratched up or nothing, Hustle Nation. So I don't really want them scratched up, scraped up. I don't want them. I don't want them swiped up. I don't want them swiped up. There go another one, a purple one. Had one of these long time ago too. Same color, purple. Century. The dash didn't work on my car either. Ooh, that boy got the aluminum wheels. So, damn, man. Hey, who else have this experience at pull apart? Like you go and you be looking for something and it does not be there. Like, but when you're not looking for it, you see a million of them. That's how it be. When I finally decided to, hey, when I thought about it, I'm like, hey, let me go ahead and get my center caps. And when I go there, I find one at one location, and now I'm here at another location. It's been a while though. That location probably has it probably has got more Buicks in. So they working. They got the music playing. Let's see. Damn, Hustle Nation, come on, man. I'm not gonna have our center cap. They're gonna force us to get the ugly center cap. Oh man. What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Should I just get that one or what? I'm only missing one. Here go another one. Nothing. And I know that's why they left that up. Okay. Here we go. In the water. That one looks good, right? We got all three of them in here. Let's see. That one a little scratched up. And that one's in the water. So, we're gonna go with this one here. I think this one will be fine. So, found them in the back, man. You can't beat it. Let's go ahead to the front and pay for this bad boy. Last one, last location, they charged me $425. No, they charged me $420. That's what they had charged me. So let's go ahead and walk back up here, get this thing paid for, and get this thing slapped on that Buick real quick. What y'all think? That one look cool, don't it? I think so. And like I said, y'all let me know if y'all like these type of vlog style videos. I know we in the pull apart right now, but y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all like stuff like this or what? Y'all want me to do more vlogs like or what? Y'all let me know in the comments below. Everybody, Hustle Nation, let me know. Y'all want me to do more vlogs or what? Along with the auction content, you know? So I can do both, you know? That way y'all can start seeing a little bit more of your boy, you know? Some of y'all probably don't care. Some of y'all do, you know? So let's walk up here. Let's get this paid for. Let's get it on the Buick, y'all. It better be the same price in this joint. Man, look at this lawn, man. Come on. thing. How much you say?
$4.12.
$4.12. That's an even better deal.
Oh man, I had a feeling.
All right, got him. Get out of here. See if we can put this thing on here real quick, man. $4.12. Why the other pull apart charge me $4.20? Different city or what? Trying to jug your boy or what? Let's see. Which one needed? Let's see. Not those. There it is right there. Do we got the same one? Yep, we got the same one. Let's slap him on there and call it a day. It's a little scratched up right there. I didn't notice that. But what y'all think, Hustle Nation? We riding. The Buick's still riding. I never even got this off of here, man. I never even tried to get that off there. But we good to go, Hustle Nation. And just like that, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for your boy. Let me know if y'all like this type of vlog, you know. I can start vlogging a little bit more. Y'all let me know if y'all like this, you know. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray. I'm out. Peace. All right, Hustle Nation. I did take the radio out the Buick. I had this radio for a minute. I took this out of a Ford Expedition one time, a long time ago, and I just hooked a regular single den in there. So I had this double den for a minute, so now I ain't got to use this no more. So y'all check the Buick out. We ride now.